everybody, it's time for math again. All right, we are going to continue our math like we did in our last quarantine. We're going to do this for the same way for the next 3 weeks. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We are going to first talk about our target, then we'll do a quick warm-up, we'll get into our lesson, and you guys will have time to work on your problem set before math groups. All right. Our target for today says, I can count by multiples of 7 as a strategy to multiply and divide. I will show this by using number bonds to decompose. Okay, in our target, there's a couple of words that I want us to talk about. Our first word is multiples. Multiples. That sounds like a tricky word, but really, all it means is goes evenly into. So if I'm going to count by multiples of 7, I know that I'm going to start with 7, then I go to 14, then I go to 21, which means any number between 7 and 14, any number between 14 and 21, they're not multiples of 7. I know that I can't use an 8, I can't use 9, I'm just going to keep counting by multiples of 7. You will be doing this on your Google form, so don't forget to fill in these blanks. 7s to 70. Okay, so this just means goes into evenly. Goes into. Okay, I can count by multiples of 7 as a strategy to multiply and divide. I want you to practice showing me multiply with your arms right now. Hopefully you did something that looks like this. And divide. And Gianni was the one who showed us how to do the divide symbol with their hands. There we go. Divide. Okay, so we are going to be multiplying and dividing today. I will show this by using number bonds. Hopefully in your mind, you're picturing something that looks like this. To decompose. Everybody show me decompose with your hands. Do it. It means we're taking it apart, right? To take apart. Good job.